Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you if your iPhone 17 Pro Max does support the dual SIM. So actually, your iPhone 17 Pro Max does support the dual SIM, but only if you have dual SIM and physical SIM port, as you can see over here. As long as you have these two ports, you are able to use dual SIM, one physical and one eSIM. But as for two eSIMs, yes, your eSIMs, two eSIMs are suitable for the American versions of your iPhone. If you're in the United States, you can use your iPhone, use dual SIM using the two eSIMs. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye!